In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a background image in Adobe Express. So let's get started. I have this image here and I want it to be the background where I have this solid color. I want it to be this image. How do I do it? Well, first off, I have my layers panel open, just so you know. If you don't, you're going to want to hit that just to see everything. And then with this image selected, I will have this menu. If you don't see this menu here, you probably don't have the right image selected. So just go back, select it. And then you'll see this option called Set Background. That's really the key. If you hit that, it will make the image your background. And you can confirm that it's your background by looking over here at the layers that I showed you before, and you'll have this little icon. It's the black circle with the white rectangle with lines through it. That means it's your background. But what if I don't like the layout here? I want the woman's face to be visible. How do I do that? Well, I can scale the background by hitting this little options menu and going to reframe image, and that will give me the bounding box handle. So now I can scale it up if I want, or down if that's what you want, and I can move it over, and now I can see my image a little bit better. Perfect. Okay, so if I want to detach the background, say I decided I want something else, I can just grab it in my layers here, or just select the background itself. Boom. And go back into this Set Background menu and hit Detach Background. And that will instantly resize it to its original size and move it back in the Layers panel to where it was. So it is no longer the background. I can delete it or add something else in, and that is it. So I hope this helps you guys. I really love Adobe Express, but sometimes things can get a little confusing. So I have a whole playlist, and if you liked this video, please check that out. Thank you guys for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.